Hi, today I'm going to show you how to cook Hainanese chicken and rice using one free-range chicken. I like using free-range chicken because the meat is lean and firm, but texture is still smooth using this low-temperature soak-to-cook method. Click on the descriptions for a complete list of ingredients and procedures. 喺注釋裏面有中文食譜。Wash, wipe dry, and weigh the chicken. Make sure the tummy inside is wiped dry as well. Place the chicken inside a plastic bag. Mix fish sauce and cooking wine and brush it on the chicken. Make sure you brush the tummy with marinade as well. Stuff the tummy with ginger and green onions. Pour the leftover marinades onto the chicken and inside the bag. Close the bag and shake chicken for a few times to make sure the chicken is evenly coated with marinades. Refrigerate overnight. Let's prepare the ingredients for the chicken soup now. I couldn't find Pandan leaves in Vancouver, so I'm using Pandan flavouring instead. I also found it's more convenient to use frozen minced lemongrass here. Prepare and boil chicken soup for 15 minutes. Submerge the chicken in for 15 seconds. Lift the chicken and submerge it into a pot of cold water. This process is to shrink and harden the skin a bit, so the skin won't break or become too mushy after the soaking process. Boil the soup to 90 degrees. Soak the chicken for 5 seconds, then lift it up. Make sure the soup flush into the tummy from the opening of the neck into the bottom. Repeat this submerging and lifting procedure for 5 times. Then submerge the entire chicken into the soup. So let's calculate the time needed for the entire soaking process. About 48 minutes for 1 kilogram of chicken. My chicken is 1.25 kilograms this time, so the entire process will be 60 minutes. So let's set up one timer for 60 minutes and the other for 15. In the meantime, we'll make the sweet chili sauce. Melt sugar with hot water, then mix it with fish sauce and chili sauce and vinegar. Chop and mince ginger now. Add salt to mixed ginger, then boil oil. Pour oil into the ginger and mix. It's 15 minutes now. We'll flip the chicken with breast facing up. Turn on the heat until the soup reaches 80 degrees Celsius. Turn off the heat again and let the chicken soak for 15 minutes. Repeat this process until the entire cooking time ends. Soak the chicken into an ice bath at once and for about 10 minutes. Scoop out about 400 grams of chicken soup and prepare other ingredients for the chicken rice. Remember, the rice must be washed, then drained completely. Heat up the pan and add chicken fat into it. Saute at medium heat until there's about 2 tablespoons of chicken oil inside the pan. Scoop out the chicken fat and skin. Use the chicken oil to saute ginger, shallots, and garlic. Add minced lemongrass and continue to saute. Add rice and turmeric powder. Saute, then add chicken soup. Cook until the soup boils. Transfer the rice and soup into a pressure cooker. About 1/3 to half teaspoon of salt, according to your preference. Pressure cook rice for 8 minutes, then natural release pressure for 10 minutes. Take the chicken out from the ice bath. Dry for 5 minutes, then brush it with sesame oil. Serve the chicken with rice and sauces. Super yummy. Enjoy!